Let's talk about text today. Search card. So this is your interface. You can zoom in, zoom out from here. Click on this big T to add text to your canvas. Click to add a text box, double click it and press spacebar, then add your text. Let's type happy birthday. These purple lines shows the alignment. Click and drag the anchor point to increase the size of your text. You can press the plus sign to increase the size. Now select your text to add font styles to your text. You can explore so many font styles from here. To change the text styles, click on A. Now, to change the color of your text, click on A. You can change your text color by selecting your text, then selecting the color of your choice. And you can also make your own color by dragging and selecting the colors from darker shades and lighter shades. From here, you can change the alignment of your text from center, left alignment, right alignment, and you can put bullets on it. And from here, you can apply effects on your text. To go back, click on your canvas. You can add already made text from here. To edit these text, just double click on it and press backspace or spacebar. Then start typing your text. Click on delete button to delete any element from canvas. Now explore these by yourself. Click on unbook to separate these text boxes. To add the background color, select your canvas, then click on these colors. Select any of the color of your choice. You can apply gradients and solid colors. To download your design, click on the share button, then click on download, then click on download again. Your design is downloading.